So the problem we're going to take a look at today is one of our limit problems. It'll be the last one on the set of limit evaluations. So go right out here. So when we look here, we see that we can start by plugging in 0. You're going to get 0 on the bottom there. You get 1/5 here, 1/5 here. Those are going to cancel out. They'll be equal to 0, so you're going to have a 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. So you're going to have to do a little more algebraic work on this one. So we're going to keep going here. And the first thing you're going to notice is that we're going to want to make these fractions here have a common denominator so that we can subtract them accordingly and simplify that down. The hope will be that we'll be left with an x up here that we'll be able to cancel out the bottom and then plug in 0 to see what we get. So when we go ahead and multiply this bottom one here by 5 minus x and this one by 5 plus x, you see that what we get up top, 5 minus x minus 5 plus x, and we get the common denominator of 5 plus x times quantity 5 minus x on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and we'll multiply this one out and subtract these accordingly to simplify it down. So this is going to result in So 5 minus 5 is going to be 0 there, negative x minus x to give you a negative 2x. And on the bottom, we multiply, we get 25 minus x squared, because our 5x terms cancel each other out. I'm going to close that. So this is what you're going to be left with. Immediately we see that the top x and the bottom x are going to be able to cancel out. So now, if we go ahead and plug 0 in for this, we're going to get 3 times a negative 2 on the top, so negative 6, and then a 25 minus 0 squared, so that's just going to be 25. And so the answer that you're going to come up with is a negative 6, 25.